Welcome back to Mumford Restoration. We're showing you a really cool harmonium, but before we do that, please go to our site, mumfordrestoration.com, or our YouTube channel and watch some of the things we've restored so that we can do something for you. So today we're showing you a Debain Harmonium, and there are really not that many of these left in the world. You can see that this is the music rack. You can see it says Debain, and it is a beautiful instrument. Definitely a pump instrument, and you saw Zach demonstrating, but we wanted to tell you that the cabinet was in pretty decent shape. We're going to try to rejuvenate the top, and the finish is in very good condition except for some sun fading here, so we're going to be working on that next. But the rest of the case is in good shape. So why did it come to us? We did a total rebuild of the pump organ. So one of our technicians is still rebuilding pump organs. So all the bellows, all the fittings, all the tubes, and everything got rebuilt so that it operates again. And obviously anybody who has this piece is really excited about keeping that original pump. But you're gonna have to have an aerobic exercise. This is like doing your Zumba class in order to pump it. So not much to the case, but a rebuild of the interior and the action and the bellows. So I think the customer's going to be thrilled. We just need to fix a bit of that sun fading, and it's ready to go out. Thanks for watching.